Generally like this iPhone X flexible screen. If the iPhone's touch is broken or doesn't work, then we need to change the 3D or TP. There's a connection point between the 3D and TP. We often use the electric soldering iron to weld the 3D and the TP together. Today we use this iPhone X series welding machine to weld the 3D and TP together. This touch is in good condition. Now I'll give you a demonstration. Firstly, we turn up the 3D and TP with this separator. And then we are going to separate the 3D and TP on the heating platform. Now separate the 3D and TP on this heating platform. Before welding, add some tin of low temperature to the TP. Then increase the temperature of this machine to 260 degrees. And the pressure is 0.1 millipascals. Now ready to weld. Put the whole of the 3D and TP into this small locating pin. And now we test it out. Okay, the touch is okay.